Magandang umaga po or tanghali, probably gabi.
Yes,
Kung anong oras man ninyo pinapanood tong video na to. So it's been raining this past few days and we thought of like putting up this video.
Yeah, we're sharing some stuff.
We would like to share some thoughts with you kung ano po nangyayari sa water quality natin sa pond. So what's the importance of this rainy season, Bless?
Well, it rains and then it's sunny, so you have changes in temperature and most especially pH. So we normally check it a lot of times, especially after a heavy rain, because like the variations in pH is dangerous for your koi.
Pag nag-fluctuate po yung pH, pag nag-fluctuate po yung temperature, dito po nag-i-start na nagkakaroon tayo ng problema sa koi. So, ano bang ano, like for example, sinasabi natin na pag nag-uulan ng malakas ay bumabagsak na yung pH. And kung banggit lang natin, ang mga bacteria in the biochamber are sensitive, number one, to light, and they're sensitive to pH. So when the pH goes down lower than 6, no, makikita po naman ninyo yan using the pH meter. Pag bumaba po yung pH niyo sa inyong mga koi pond lower than 6, then this is the time the good bacteria die.
Yes.
So Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, kaya mapapansin po ninyo na after 2 days or a week, no, at least matamlay na isda because nagka-crash na po yung pH. Nagka-crash na po yung yung filter,
crashes,
no?
Yeah.
Dahil at 6 pH or below, acidic na, namamatay na po yung Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. And then, yung koi naman, they could withstand hanggang kahit 4.5. No?
Yes,
4.5 pH hanggang 8.5, kaya po nila, but not the Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. Ito po yung magagandang bacteria na kumakain ng ammonia, converting it to NO2 and NO3. So here in Kois and Ponds, friends in koi, since digital po to, we have 27 ponds all over the farm. Kinukuha po namin, we're very vigilant yung staff natin to check pagka po yung pH bumaba na ng 7 ay nag-a-adjust na po tayo.
Yes, because 7 is neutral, so we don't want it to go way lower than that or way higher than that. But usually if it's raining a lot, it's usually below 7. Doon na nagsisimula yung friends in koi, no, Glass. Yeah. Doon na nagsisimula na bumaba yung pH pag umulan. Like for example now, today is July 15, kanina pong umaga, almost 10 o'clock, kinuha po namin yung mga pH. Nasa ideal po sila, 7.7 ang pinakamataas until 7.3, may 7.8 pa dito. So when this goes down to less than 7, ang ayaw natin, again, the magic number is 6. Ayaw po natin bumaba ng 6. Pag bumaba po ng 6 or nakaligtaan natin, no? Let's say nag-out of town tayo, nakita natin na yung pH ay lower than 6. This is the time you seed your filter with Nitrobacter. Kasi namamatay nga po siya, nagde-deteriorate na yung colony forming unit ng good bacteria. Yes.
Bumabagsak na. And
this
then,
is the Nitrobacter. It's a live bacteria once it's mixed with water. So it will help boost up your biological filter again. So it will work, with the nitrification cycle.
So this is the new packaging of Nitrobacter Glass. No, this is 450 grams, and then now it comes in a small package. So
very effective.
Very, very effective. No, later on we'll go up there. Papakita po namin kung paano pag-apply nito.
It's US made, so it's been researched, and we've been using it for years, and it's really highly effective until now.
Once bumaba po yung pH natin, eto na, nagte-test na po agad kami ng tubig. Nakita nyo, all these test vials are here. It was tested kanina around almost 10:50.
Yes.
Okay, it says here. Kung makita
so if
natin.
you have a pond, it's nice if you could record the results of your tests every day, so you see the variations in your pond water. It helps to you know what's happening in your pond.
So quickly to na nakikita natin pag kukunan ng picture nila nila Tintin ng staff ng Kois and Ponds, and then they will send it to our group chat, makikita namin. Once the ammonia is yellow, hindi po kami na-alarma because this is the most ideal reading, no?
Which is 0 ammonia, which we like.
And then you also like this color sa NO2.
Nitrite. Yeah.
Now this is the color we get for pond number, ano ba yung glass? Nahulog na yan. Right there.
21.
Thank you. Pond number 21. So ammonia is good, perfect. NO2 is perfect. And then NO3 is yellow, no? Ang ayaw naman natin sa NO3 is more than 80, no? And then NO3 is not harmful to koi anymore. It just retards yung growth rate ng koi.
Yeah, so you don't want too much of it. It's it doesn't harm your koi, but in the long run, it won't let your koi grow so big as it should because of that.
It's a good technique, Les, no?
Yes.
Nice to know. Pag ang NO3 ay mataas, meaning to say, hindi masyadong lumalaki yung koi. So this is one technique that you could use. Kasi alam naman natin sa mga baby champion, if you want to stunt the growth of the fish, number 1, you feed them lightly. Number 2, you put them in a bit more heavily stocked pond, and then itaas po ninyo yung NO3. No? And then dito po na-stunt natin. This is like in every koi show meron tayong
That's one of the techniques if you want to stunt the growth.
category of Shimigay, no?
Yeah,
Kaya meron tayong jumbo koi, jumbo champion, na Shimigay champion, meaning to say the smallest growth rate.
Yes.
Okay, back to the pH again.
Yeah.
The magic number is 6. Don't make your pond go lower than 6.
And 7 is neutral.
Neutral. Okay, quickly. No,
Yes,
pH is the range of acidity or alkalinity. 0 to 14, 7 being neutral. You go down lower than 7, then it becomes acidic. You go higher than 7, then it's become basic. And the most perfect, ideal situation, number ng pH for koi is 7.2 to 7.4.
Yeah.
Although they could withstand from even 4.5, no? 4.5 until 8.5 kaya ng koi.
But you don't want it to go as low as that because at 6 and below, then
Good bacteria dies.
Yeah, you don't want that.
So
because
kung sakaling they na ano nila na nakaligtaan or hindi na check, no, na yung pH pala sobrang baba. Kaya nga nakalagay sa in every box of Tomigay, it says here in Nitrobacta, it says here apply this after heavy rain. O heavy rain, no? Kasi umaasim yung tubig, bumababa yung pH, this is a good time to seed. No?
Yes. And then if you see your pH is 6 and below, immediately
maglagay na po kayo dito because and then also one word of caution, pag ang pH po ninyo mababa, no? And then yung ammonia po ninyo ay mataas, no? Huwag niyo pong itataas na kasi naitataas naman yung glass yung pH, no, to the technique of applying baking soda. Yung baking soda, the kitchen grade, no, yung ginagamit dito. You apply it sa pond and then yung pH natin slowly goes up. Huwag natin bibiglain, and then abrupt change ng pH will shock the fish also.
True.
No? And
so
then
that's the key word in treating koi and handling koi. Nothing too abrupt.
Pagka yung pH po ay tinaas yung abruptly, nagugulat yung koi, na i-stress po sila.
Yeah.
And then ang pH, pag tinaas po ninyo, and then ammonia is high, then ammonia becomes more toxic on a high pH. So leave it there muna. Let's say naka 6.5 kayo ng pH, and then ammonia is high. I-correct po muna natin yung ammonia. Ammonia, you put it down by water change. Then you could also put that's this Ultimate, or you could use Chloramex.
That's
or
the instant solution.
Instant
to your
solution.
pond water.
Or you could broadcast what's this zeolite.
Zeolite.
Para bumaba.
Ammonia.
Once the ammonia is low, then you could adjust slowly the pH going up. Pag tumataas na po yung pH, then you seed it with Nitrobacta, no? Para ang purpose po talaga ng any bacteria that you put in a biochamber is to increase bioactivity.
Yes.
Kasi ayaw po natin ng mataas ang ammonia and NO2. Ammonia again burns. Ito, ano na to, paulit-ulit na lahat ng libro, lahat ng mga dalubhasa sa isda at sa koi, no, sinasabi, pag mataas ang ammonia, nakakasunog ng balat at nakakasunog ng gills. Pag mataas ang ammonia, ay nakaka-stress ng isda. The next bad thing is pag mataas yung NO2, they both burn the gills and skin and they prevent oxidation.
Yeah. So
How do you call it?
That's what you call the brown blood disease.
Brown blood disease.
So when they die, you cut it and see the blood, it's brown because there's not enough oxygen entering their system because of the high nitrite levels.
Do you call that in medicine hypoxia?
Hypoxia. Yeah.
Hypoxia, right?
Hypoxia, not enough oxygen in the blood.
Not enough oxygen. Siya yung nurse eh. So anyway.
I'm just nursing for you.
All right. Okay. And I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay, so again, test po yung pH nyo. Huwag yung pababaing bumaba ng 6, pabaya ang bumaba ng 6. And then, eto naman, pag meron na po kayong pH meter digital, then you could be testing. You could ask your staff or anybody in the house na maiiwan doon, kunin and then isulat lang, lagyan ng logbook, especially ngayong rainy season. So,
like if you notice, even with the rains, it's like 7.2 and higher. We do put oyster shells in our pond. It acts as a buffer against the pH fluctuations, which is a good idea to have in your filter.
So, pakita na natin to, Glass.
Sure, let's
Pero
go.
on the side, no, new packaging po ng Nitrobacta. When you get your new box, ito po, available kila Ken Kim po sa Aklan, Andres Mayagma sa Cebu, kay Marvin Limbago sa Davao, kay Sarge Alnur sa Cagayan de Oro, Ronel Lunsaga sa Leyte at kay Arthur Gunting
in Bohol.
Aton sa Bohol.
Yes.
At may mga dealers pa tayong upcoming. We'll announce it soon. When you get your box, meron po itong libreng coaster. Pampatungan ng wine, no?
Yeah,
Red wine.
nice. Or whatever.
Ito magustuhan to ni Eugene. Eugene Antales,
yeah.
tsaka ni Shokoy. Then shout out. Okay, so we'll go up, but before we go there, batiin muna natin, Glass, si Roel, our friend from
Oh, hi,
from
Roel!
Roel and B.
He's
they're
gallivanting all over the Philippines.
nasa galing sa Bohol, nasa
Cebu.
tsaka si B.
Yeah, Capiz, where B's from. Yeah.
So, before you go back, kita-kits tayo dito, Koys and Pans. The other day, nandito si King, nandito si Armiel, nandito si and they're just waiting for your cue, tapos kita-kits ulit tayo dito.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
And thank you also, King. We have, hindi na natin may mention, we have a lot of projects with King. Salamat for
Thank
for
you, King.
driving yesterday kasi coding tayo, pinuntahan natin project to Batangas.
And I'm the navigator. Beautiful house, by the way.
Ayan.
We've seen a lot of beautiful houses lately.
Ang ganda.
With the koi pond.
Ang ganda.
It really
Beautiful.
enhances the beauty of, modern style. It's more of the modern style.
Yep. And also salamat kay Elgin tsaka kay Ermiel for coming by dito the other night. Ang sarap nagkwentuhan natin dito. Soon, ito, announcement segment naman no?
Yeah.
Ronel, thank you so much pala dun sa sa pag-training our dogs in tatlo.
Oh,
so we will be getting our Belgian Malinois, the three babies, the new babies we have, come first week of August.
Yes. Two babies
maraming salamat sa
from Romy Sicyon, from Clark. Thank you so much.
Romy Session, and maraming salamat kay Doc Oyi.
Sebastian,
Thank you for the beautiful dogs na ganyan. Doc Oyi, maraming salamat.
Yes.
And nasabi na natin si Ronel. Congratulations kay Ronel tsaka kay Vice Mayor Adam. Ang ganda nung bagong pan na bagong gawa. It's very tasteful, simple, clean lines, and then
very modern too.
Nabanggit ko, Vice, kay Ronel kanina, nalagyan nyo lang ng harang, baka tumalon yung isda.
Yeah, necessary, especially for new koi.
So once Ronel delivers the fish here, first week of August, na I think si Ken Kim po, tsaka si Andren coming over.
Yeah.
Tsaka si Arthur Gunting, tsaka si so may
quite
bonding
a
na
blast
naman ng mga
again.
dito. Okay, so this first week of August, imbitahin natin sila Direk Osang. We'll do about 2 or 3 episodes of Agri TV.
Oh, that would be nice.
That'll be nice, no? Talking with all these koi professional friends of ours.
Yes.
Aqua Pros, Leyte, this is Ronel. Sa Ken Kim po, Koi Aklan, sa Panay, no? Tsaka si Art Gunting, no? Okay. Oh, si Mayan, ha?
Arthur's farm, koi farm.
Alright, so, okay, mamaya marami pa tayong announce, but let's go and go up there. Pakita natin paano pag-apply nito. Alright, so follow us. Follow us, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Dito, here, glass, pass here.
There? Okay.
Okay.
Are we running? Let's run.
Run.
See, it's sunny now.
So run backwards.
If you want.
Alright, so up here sa mga Tonet? Okay, so if you notice, nakita nyo, aisle, this section of ponds, this is pond 11, 12, wala po tayong pond 13, parang elevator. No?
Yeah. Well,
so 11, 12, 14, 15, and 16. So all these 5 ponds, pinaangat natin itong biochamber. Tonet, lagyan natin ito, halika.
See, all of this underneath are all water.
So nag-correct po kami ng pH, and then nakita po natin doon, the ammonia are perfect, doon, 0. No? And then also, isang precaution na ginawa natin dito, Glass, was hindi tayo nagpakain ng koi na for 2 days. This is the second day.
If it's raining, it
raining. So para hindi lang sila ma-stress. And also tomorrow we'll take some pictures. Kaya
tomorrow.
Afternoon ba? after the work is done. No?
Yes.
So we will apply, show you. Ito po yung ang biochamber ng pond 11. This is the Nitrobacter. So we normally put 2 to 3 scoops in this time. It's medyo umuulan, kaya lagyan mo ng tatlo to. So the reason behind nilalagay natin sa timbagan ito, tapos dinidissolve natin. These are freeze-dry bacteria. Okay, so and then pwede naman kamayin. This is not harmful. So this is good for fresh water. This is good for marine. This is good for tropical fish. So it's good. Right. So you want to drop it like this, yung mas mataas, the higher it is, the better, para mas pumasok sa loob yung mga etong mga particles na to, this powder of Nitrobacter. Okay? So since nalagyan na po ito, and then you want to shut off yung UV light. Kasi kung umiikot po naman yung pond niyo ng once every hour, pwedeng patayin nyo muna yung UV for 3 hours para kung may dadaan po munang Nitrobacter in the UV chamber, babalik ulit siya sa pond, and then so a good 3 hours of shutting the UV light off is enough.
True.
And then once you put
it's a good preventive measure.
Once you put Nitrobacter here, gusto po ninyong isarado na. Tonet, pakisarado
you want
please.
it dark so that the bacteria could increase in quantity better because of the darkness.
Okay. Right. Okay.
There. This could carry 6,000 pounds. That's why we
6,000
like
pounds
it.
ka na bagless.
Getting there.
Getting there. Sige, ano pa. The other day nasa Tagaytay kami, inubos mo yung halo-halo.
Oo nga, sarap.
Hindi mo tinarahan.
Hindi
Okay.
kita tinira-
That means that's additional 2 pounds.
Oh yeah. No regrets.
Next 12. So, napansin po ninyo, medyo tahimik dito dahil yung shower natin, dinivert natin para sa baba, para hindi masyadong ingay. So, you could hear us properly. Now, so nakita nyo yung Nitrobacter na ito. Nasa new packaging na. Okay. These scoops here. Sa Douglas.
Para makita nila si Tonet.
Si Tonet.
Ang gwapo-gwapo ni Tonet, o di ba? New dad. Tonet is a new dad. Ganda-ganda ng baby niya.
Papa T.
Papa.
T.
Yeah.
Papa Tonet eh.
Papa Tonet. Paping-papi na.
Papi. Yan. Okay. So, again, 3 scoops. Goes inside. Ito, precaution lang po. Kasi sa gabi, hindi, the last, minsan kasi pag we're having wine here ni Glassy, sa gabi, we broadcast
Yes.
before
Check on the coil.
broadcast revive.
Yeah.
Mhm.
With so many of them, we have to take really good care
Mhm.
of them.
Mhm.
So if it's not here, then man takes over.
Sabi nga,
And all the stuff.
prevention is better than cure. So check the
Yes.
pH, don't let it go down to 6.
Yes.
Once it goes down to 6, then this is the time you apply.
Keep checking water one that will help you prevent diseases of your koi. Yeah, like you don't want them getting sick or anything.
Tsaka for the past, Glass, for the past week, no? Itong alam natin, dadating na tong typhoon na to, nag-prepare na tayo dito.
Yes.
We've been salting the pond. Nakita nyo mga pinopost natin doon.
Yes.
It's not only we're posting that we want to show off the fish, no?
Although
But-
they're beautiful, huh?
But we're happy with what we saw. Inangat natin, tapos nagsusalt pat po kami doon, nagpo-potassium deep kami, and then inihahanda po namin
yeah.
yung koi for this rainy rainy days, no?
Yeah, rainy days is more often now than before
Mhm.
in this month. So we did a lot of preventive work.
Mhm. And one of them is ito. Constant to. Pag-check natin ng pH, Nitrobacta, and then clear or not clear water, mas importante po, 0 ammonia, 0 NO2, and the
Yes.
fish are not clamped sa anong ganyan.
Yes, and make sure that your UV light, close it while you're applying it. Sayang eh.
3 hours, no? 3 hours yung patayin yung UV after putting this. Madali po magpalinaw ng tubig, no?
Yeah.
Maglagay
UV
lang kayo, ayan, ano na natin, glass sabihin na natin. You want your water clear, maglagay lang kayo ng UV light, no?
Lilinaw niya
You
yun,
want
for
it, if it's outdoor like this, pan mo nga konti doon, yan sa pan natin. Yung pan doon sa baba, 3 watts per pan, 20, lagay mo ng 25, no? Including the filter and everything. 5 watts.
Yes.
So if it's like partially shaded like this, pwede ka nasa mga 2 or even 1.5 watts per ton. No? This is like 20 over, no? So ngayon, pag yung pond nyo hindi masyadong naarawan, pwede kayong 1 watt per ton na lang. In dito sa UV, patayin pag madilim. Only last for 5 months.
Yes.
Even
Yes.
so, again, syempre gusto malinaw, no? Of water. Clarity of the water is less important than the quality of the water.
Yes. Always
Madali again magpalinaw ng lagyan nyo ng UV. Tambakan nyo ng UV yan, lilinaw yung pond nyo. Pero ang importante po, yung quality. Malalaman nyo na pag maganda yung quality ng tubig, that's why we always say, if you apply Nitrobacta, gumaganda yung quality ng tubig and magana yung yung appetite, no? Nagiging nagiging gutom na gutom.
It's our way of life. Quality over quantity, quality over anything else. It's the lifestyle that we want to share. Also, quality of life is better. So that's why we want our koi healthy, happy, growing well. So that's what we always wanted to share. That's why we do this. Safe at sea also.
All right. So, Glass, we're done with the pan 12. Net, sarado mo na to. We move on. Okay.
Oh yeah, are we going all the way there? Is it this?
Yeah, we'll finish it. No? We'll
All right. Okay.
Ito net, dito tayo. Okay. One question, no? Glass.
Yeah.
May tawag dito. Isa sa mga topics of discussion. Many years back nakausap natin yung mga veteranong dealers.
Yeah.
Net, dito tayo, lagyan mo na to.
Which dealers?
like Bernard Channing. Ito yung mga Bernard Channing of England.
Japanese
Water Gardens, England. Ito mga kasabay pa ni contemporary ni Peter Waddington to. No?
Yeah.
Marami, nagkakwentuhan tayo sa Japan in the one of the many trips na ginawa natin doon.
Yeah, we beat a lot of dealers.
Question, kailangan bang i-rate yung biochamber or hindi?
Yes, of course.
Or you could not too. No?
Of course. Depends on your school of
So
thought.
ito yung school of thought, maraming mahabang diskurso to, grabe. Sabi nila, ang point ni Bernard doon, once the biochamber, sabi niya ganun, kung if you're culturing good bacteria here, like for example this one, ito parang Nitrobacter is freeze-dry bacteria.
Yeah.
Para siyang brine shrimp.
Yeah, you
Remember in brine
activate it
shrimp,
with
it's
water.
powder, lagay mo sa container, i-aerate mo, and then later makikita mo buhay na yung mga small animals
So
na
when-
kakainin.
But they're aerobic.
Aerobic, no?
So they need
Yeah.
oxygen.
So, yun nga sabi ni Bernard Channing, no? Pag sinukat mo yung dissolved oxygen digitally from the entry point to the exit point ng biochamber,
Yeah.
it doesn't change.
Mm.
So, yung consumption nila, importante lang yung water mo in the pond
Mm.
is 5 parts per million.
Okay.
So it only goes down. Ang madideplete lang yung bioactivity nito if
Yes.
the dissolved oxygen in the biochamber is less than 3 parts per million.
Okay.
Sobrang mababa na yon. So they could thrive in although yung iba talagang ine-aerate. Nag-aerate sila because of the media dun sa mga floating beads, no?
Yeah.
Yung mga static media.
Yes.
Mga moving bed pala, not
Yeah,
static, moving bed.
Yeah.
Ito ang mga example niyan, K1,
Mm.
yung bioballs.
Yes.
Gusto natin gumagalaw. No?
It's pretty popular in Indonesia. We visited a lot of ponds there. I see a lot of moving bed filtration.
At yun ang ginagamit nila, yung moving bed na yun sa Profi drum.
Yeah.
Rotating drum
Yeah.
filter. At
Yeah. And
wa-
K1 is
K1,
what they
oh.
use for the
and,
moving
and,
bed.
and I think yung K1 na yun, yun yung ginagamit sa Nexus.
Yeah.
Nexus filter na ito isa sa mga inventors nito si Jasper Kuniper, no, sa Europa.
England.
Oo.
Yeah.
So okay, the man's phone is ringing.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're done with pan 14.
So we do the.
Okay.
Let's
Sa-
go.
Okay. Maya man, dito tayo. Pan 15. Okay. And then one more pond after this. Tunet, tara. Okay. Pan mo yun, man, sarado na, oh. Yan, okay, sarado na. Okay. So this would be the fourth pond dito sa aisle 1. Tawag namin dito Tom Isle. Yung nasa gitna tawag namin doon Mickey's Isle. Yung kabila doon is Gaitas Isle.
Yeah. Arctic children.
I'll
That's why
take it.
it's Tommy Guy.
Okay, so three scoops. Right then.
You see, our phone's ringing. Actually, that's not man's phone. That's the company phone. So
Okay.
we have to.
So again,
you know,
ibubuhos ni
a
Tunet.
lot of customers are calling again.
Okay.
So we better finish this fast.
Okay. All right. So and we're gonna do it to the rest of the ponds dito. Protection namin dito
Yeah.
sa this rainy day.
Yeah.
This.
See, it was sunny earlier.
Mhm.
Now it looks like rain. It's becoming cloudy, and then, you know, you can't avoid these fluctuations
Tet, baba mo na to.
in pH and temperature as well. So you really have to guard against it for the health and wellness of your koi.
Ano to, tawag dito, advanced directives. Ika,
Yes,
advanced directives.
True.
Okay.
All
Alright.
right. So
Okay, so we're done with this aisle. One more pond
One
here
more
later.
pond.
Tapos
Okay.
pati yung na doon. All 27 ponds dito, lalagyan natin ng Nitrobacta. They've been checking pH like anything since this morning,
And
since
it's
this
so
past.
convenient if you use a digital meter.
Mhm.
It's available here also. It's from Trans Instruments. It's made in the US.
Mhm.
So we really rely on this very much.
All right. So we're gonna let you go, friends. But before we go, shout out kay Mickey and Devin, Demi Koy of Las Tunas
Drive.
Las Tunas Drive, Temple City.
Yes.
Malapit lang po sila sa Pasadena. Kung kayo ay taga California, you're looking for a reputable or good koi dealership na pupuntahan po ninyo, please pass by Demikoi.
Yes, you could, could just Google them so you know where it is.
I believe they have a lot of stocks that just came in.
Yeah, the new stocks from Japan.
So they ship
Very
as far as the whole of America. They also ship outside of America. I
Yeah.
think the other day may shipment sila sa Mexico.
Yeah.
So from California to any part of the world.
Yes, they do that.
They do that. Demikoi. Look them up, Devin Swanson and Mickey Swanson in Las Tunas. Google them or
Just
search him.
Easy.
But come by, visit us here at Kois and Pans. If you've stayed this long watching this video, maraming salamat po. Thank you for watching. Thank you for
so
staying
much.
with us. Again, PH, the point of discussion in this blog today is take care of your pH and
Use Nitrobacter
use Nitrobacter
for maintenance.
para walang filter crush.
Which is very important.
All right. So
Thank
anything
you.
else you wanna add?
No, maybe you could check the koi.
Koi, sige, quickly. Tingnan
Here.
natin. Yan. Pakita natin tong koi.
They're looking
Here.
hungry already. They're looking hungry.
Pero kanina ito pinakain.
Pinakain.
Oh, this
Okay. All right. So wait, it's taking too long. Bye.
we're
Thank you so much.
friends.
All right.
Kids,
there's
maraming
a-
salamat po. Thank you for watching.
People coming.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.